Welcome to Easternparadigm. I am Priya Brahma. Dear viewers, today we bring you a crucial matter that has been a growing concern for the citizens of Kokrajhar Town. This issue has been brought to our attention by concerned citizens who have voiced their distress over the unlawful occupation of footpaths and pavements meant for pedestrians by various businesses in the town. Here is our report. The repercussions of this encroachment have had dire consequences, making it increasingly difficult for people to move about the town safely. In Kokrajhar Town, the situation has deteriorated to the point where pedestrians are forced to walk on the main roads, exposing themselves to the risk of accidents. This alarming trend has seen a significant increase in road accidents in recent times, raising concerns among residents and authorities alike. Kokrajhar, a bustling and thriving town, has witnessed a substantial rise in the number of vehicles over the past few years. As a result, the simple act of walking on the roads has become a perilous endeavor, with pedestrians being subjected to the constant threat of accidents due to the encroachment of footpaths and pavements by various businesses. The situation is dire, and local residents are clamoring for a solution. Pedestrian safety is of paramount importance, and it is crucial to address the issue of unlawful business and encroachment of footpaths promptly. Local authorities, citizens, and businesses will need to work together to find a balanced solution that ensures both the smooth operation of businesses and the safety of pedestrians in Kokrajhar Town. Your safety is our priority, and we are committed to keeping you informed about issues that impact your daily life. That's all for today. For more such informative reports, stay tuned with Easternparadigm.